Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the saturation in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we can select one that we want to work on. We just tap on it. After that, in the editing menu, we have to select the clip that we want to edit. And then in the bottom bar, we have to scroll to the right and find the adjustments button. And here in the adjustments menu, we have to find saturation. This little water drop is the icon of it. And here, if you move this little slider to the right, the saturation of the clip is going to increase, as you can see. And if you move it to the left, then the saturation of the clip is going to decrease, making the picture almost completely black and white. So yeah, after we are done setting the saturation, we tap on OK, and this is going to save the setting. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.